In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add and edit a gradient background to a chart in Microsoft Excel. So, to add a gradient background, first right-click on the chart that you want to add the gradient background to. Now go down to the bottom where it says Format Chart Area. Now that you're in Format Chart Area, you're going to want to adjust the fill, which is under the little fill bucket right here. And it's going to be the first option that you see. And you're going to have the fill be a gradient fill. And here it auto-fills with what I had in the last chart. But one thing to know is that you can really edit this to be whatever gradient that you want. And Excel is actually pretty surprisingly flexible when it comes to the different gradient options. So for example, you can adjust the present gradients is some samples right here. You can adjust the type, which basically just is the shape of the gradient, to kind of show you what it will look like by throwing a different color. You see, but a radial gradient looks like a circle. Linear is a line, either 45-degree angle or whatever angle that you want it to be. So, kind of trippy. You have it be a path, which is this square thing, and have it be a rectangle, which is this piece right here. And one thing to note is that on the linear piece, you can adjust it to be fully horizontal or fully vertical to get whatever effect that you want. You can also adjust the gradient stops right here with just basically the different breakpoints of your gradient. So in the first example, I only had two. I had one that was white and one that was like a darker blue. But you can have more stops to really just get more of the gradient effect that you want. Let's just say I want to have one right here that is purple, for example, for whatever reason. Now this looks kind of funky, but the thought is you can just have gradients be as flexible as you want. And let's just say we want to change the color. You can also click on the different stops and change the color right here. And you can click on more colors and enter whatever RGB that you would like. You can also adjust the position of the gradient by either clicking the slider on the top or by using this piece right here to get more precise. You can adjust the transparency of the gradient, such as say you wanted the purple piece right here to be more transparent. So you can see the chart a bit better. Okay. You can also adjust the brightness of the gradient. Or you just kind of tweak the gradient to really get the effect that we want. So you can have kind of have incorporate colors in the background in a little bit more of a fun way. Yeah, and that said, you really kind of have to just mess around with these settings to get it to be what you want it to be. But once you get it to where you want it to be, you can really help take your formatting to another level. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.